Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to share with your BeReal account. So first, to do that, we should open our application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Then you'll see here the BeReal link with your username. Click on the name on the link and you can share with someone in the message, Gmail, and Twitter, just Facebook, and just notes. Also you can save it to files. Just you can copy this link and after that share with someone. Also we can click here to these three dots and tap to share with BeReal, and by the same way just share with someone. So that's it, that's how to share with BeReal application with your account on your device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.